do. They're solely trying to prevent the civilian populace from being decimated. The ground forces there had a message for us. They expressed how they had a hatred towards us.
What are they doing in my country? That is the question.
It didn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that if you want to try to shoot one of us down, put a surface-to-air missile site underneath us.
They provoked us. They bombed us. I gave the order to fire. Once you fire, the chances are that you'll hit your target.
My thumb didn't even get to the decoy button before the missile impacted. I thought I was dead right then and there.
Basher 5-2 has been hit. Basher 5-2 has been hit.
I never saw him eject. I never saw him in a parachute.
Was to say that the parachute hadn't been burned or damaged. I'm 80 miles into a hostile territory, in a war zone. Nobody knows I'm alive.
I knew the area very well, so I was pretty confident we would catch him.
They were like paramilitary. They're less trained than regular soldiers are. They're there to put a bullet through my head.
Everything tells us he's either dead or they got him, but we got to keep looking.
As far as brothers in arms, fighter pilots, we're going to go out and find him. We're going to bring him home.
Basher 5-2, this is Basher 1-1. You're loud and clear.